What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another tech video. All right, you can see this box. I'm not gonna show you the other side. That's my address on it, but got a new device in here. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, cut right into this thing. Oh, missed the spot right there. Boom. And boom. And and we're in here. Alright. Put my shank away. Alright. Open the box. Plastic. A little receipt for all you receipt boys out there. Alright, put that to the side. Woo. Here we are. Can y'all see that? Let's get it out of there. Boom. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Alright. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. That's a long name. That's a long name. Alright. What we got here? Unlocked by Samsung. Alright. Cool. Now let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, okay. Let me get the shank. A little quick one. Boom. And another quick one. Boom. Alright, did I get that one? I don't think I got that one. Let me do that again. Oh, I did get it. Okay, we good. We good. Now we just slide him on out. Boom. Nice box. Nice black box. Open it up. Change the shape of the future. All right. Boom. Get that to the side. And this, what is this one? This looks like, okay. This is, okay, let's open this up. What's in here? Oh, as the great Flossie Carter would say, this is your usual books and shit. Pluck those, toss them to the side. What else is in here? SIM ejection tool right there. I'm gonna need that in just a second, so let me put that to the side here. And that is the device. Yeah. There it is right there. Whew. Look at that. Look at that. All right. So you got your warning, your care instructions. Do not press on the screen or the front camera lens with the hard or sharp objects such as a pen or fingernails. I don't have any fingernails. Doing so could result in product damage such as scratches or dents. Okay, don't have to worry about that. So no using a shank. Don't use a shank on the screen. When folding the device, make sure there are no objects such as cards, coins, or keys placed in between the screens, as doing so may cause damage. The device is not dust or waterproof. Exposure to liquids, blah, 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 blah. Basically, take care of it. Don't remove the screen protector. It contains magnets, all that kind of stuff, all right? Now, let's go ahead, open it up. Okay. Yeah. And boom. Now we all free. Look at that. Look at that. That is a nice device right there. Whew. Yes, sir. It doesn't feel, you know, when I pull this out, I kind of, oh, I kind of expected it to feel plasticky, but it doesn't. That is a solid screen, actually. That feels. It just told me not to do that, but man, that feels like a really solid screen right there. All right, boom, nice size, nice weight to it. That hinge is pretty nice. Cameras, yeah, the most important aspect to me. 3 here, 3 cameras there, 1 camera here on the front, and 1 camera there on the inside. Let's go ahead and power it on. There it is. All right. Awesome. You got your speaker at the top here and your microphone where my right hand is to the side there. Go down. Your volume rocker here and your power button, which is also your fingerprint scanner here on the side. Look at the build quality, though. Look at the brushed aluminum. If you all can see that, I hope you all can see that brushed aluminum on the side. Then you go to the bottom here. You got that USB-C and another microphone and another speaker. And then on this side is where your SIM ejection tool is. All right. Now, I'm going to pause the video for a second and transfer my SIM card that is in this phone that I'm using into this Galaxy Z Fold. I'm going to set the phone up and then I'll come back. All right, so I got it all set up. As you can see, home screen. Got my boy Lotso right there. All right. Lotso's a villain. Not just some cute teddy bear. He's a villain. All right. But anyway, got him all set up. Boom. And all my apps and everything going on here. All right. So Amazon. Boom. And then we got Google. Boom. All right. So everything is set up accordingly. And then if I open up, bam, that's my family right there, okay? All my apps and everything set up that way, all right? Now, one thing that I love and a big draw to this phone to me is I wanted to get rid of my Kindle Fire, all right? I wanted to have one device that does everything. I wanted to have my phone here, and then if I wanted to read or do something, I have my tablet as well, and I can do that all in one device here. All right, now what I use right now, because I'm reading this series of books that I initially bought when I had the Sony e-reader back in the day, I have my Kobo reader here, right? So boom, you just open it up. Boom. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is a tablet right here, man. This is a iPad mini. Ultimately, you know what I mean, size-wise, with no bezels, you know, none of those big giant Apple bezels. This is what this is. This is an iPad mini pretty much. You know what I mean? You open that up, boom, we out of here. All right, I'm done reading for right now. Boom. I'm gonna go check out, you know, IG, Pac and 40 there. Okay. You know what I mean? There's some stuff going on here. Boom. Freddie Gibbs. Boom. I mean, it's just a bigger screen, man. So much of a bigger screen. I really like that. You know, especially coming from this S10 Plus, which up until this point, I would have said was the best phone that I ever had. But yeah, man, very nice, very nice. My phone, let me go back to that for a second. My phone still thinks that I'm in Spain. Does anybody watching know how I can get my phone to realize that I'm back in America? On every app that I go to, it shows all the Spanish and European ads still. I've been back in America for 2 months almost now. Oh, if anybody can help me with that, that'd be great. But anyway, let me take it over to Twitter. Boom. Hopefully there's no buns or anything on the screen. Just goofy crap here. So yeah, man, I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good, man. I'm liking the screen, man. I'm really liking the screen, and also I'm liking. Let me show you all this. Boom. Got my wireless charger here. This is something that was missing in the Surface Duo, but look at this. Setting down, and we're charging. Fast wireless charging. Rolling. We already rolling. You know what I mean? Use my phone, tap, 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 do my thing. All right, I'm done. Let me set it down. Wireless charge, right there. I have a wireless charger on my desk at work, and I had the Surface Duo there, and I forgot that the Surface Duo doesn't have wireless charging, so I just put the phone, I put the Duo on the wireless charging, and forgot. I was just sitting there like, why is this not doing anything? And I had to realize, dang, it doesn't have wireless charging. It really doesn't even have it. So, yeah, man, I'm just glad that it has those features. I don't know what this is. Fast wireless charging. Okay, you can set a schedule to turn off fast wireless charging. Turning it off prevents fan noise and reduces lights from LEDs on the charger. Okay, I don't need that. Go up there. All right, we back at Lotso. But yeah, man, I really like the screen size. I like the feel of it. This phone surprises me, man. It really surprised me. I felt that the screen would feel plasticky, and it really doesn't. It feels like a glass screen. There's really not much of a difference between this screen, the feel of it, and the feel of this. It feels pretty good. And you know what else I like? I like the fingerprint sensor being here. I really like that. Coming from the S10 Plus, where it's in the screen, I like the fingerprint sensor over there. It's easy. It's like you do it without even thinking about it. So, I'm really digging that. There's a bunch of things on here that, don't touch that folder, that I like, man. There's a bunch of things on here I like, and the size and the feel of it is one of them. Is it thinner than the Surface Duo? Nah, it's not. It's heavier than the Surface Duo. The Surface Duo actually feels better in hand. Not gonna lie about that. I can go in here. Let me see if I can pull up YouTube TV. All right. Let me see. Okay, boom. YouTube TV. And we're on. All right. Let's see what's on. What's live right now? Weakest link. I'm not watching that. Let's see. Yankees. Oh, we got some playoff basketball. WNBA. Okay, let's see. I didn't know the game was on. I'm missing the game. Let's go Aces. Let's go Aces. I need Asia Wilson to get this W here. Oh, okay, it's a close game. All right, but check it out. Boom. I'm watching the game. I want to do something else. Come up. Boom. Come over here. Hit that. I did it wrong. Come up. and then you tap the button, all right? And it says open screen and split screen. Boom. So now I go over here and I can be on Twitter and watch the game at the same time. All right? That's cool. It's not the same level as the Surface Duo, but you can do it. Boom, turn the phone sideways. Still works. You can also do it the other way. Let me hit that in the center so that it's straight up and down like that, and this side to side. Do I want to shoot a message off? Boom. I can do things. You can multitask this way. If you want to do it the other way, let me hit that again. Open that up. Boom, this is me on Twitter. You can change the keyboard, and then it's different. I haven't installed Gboard on here yet, but when you do Gboard, it'll be the other way around. And you can split screen with the keyboard. This will still be up, and the keyboard will be there. So it works well, man. So I'm going to keep playing around with the Galaxy Z Fold for, you know, a little bit, and I'm gonna compare it with the Surface Duo. I'm gonna see which one that I like more. Oh, I haven't set Comixology up yet, but I'm gonna see which one of them I like more. Do a comparison and contrast and everything, and then I'm gonna make a decision. Okay, there's Gboard. Let me see if I can show you all that real quick. Hold on a second. Use Gboard. Select input method, Gboard. Boom. Let me go back to YouTube TV. Boom. Got the game back on. All right, now let me go over here, do the split screen. And what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Let's say Facebook. All right, we got Facebook right here. All right. Game is on. I'm watching the game. And what's on my mind? Pop the keyboard up, and boom. I can text, say what's on my mind, and boom, 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 but still be watching the game. So you can do, let me turn that off. Let's go, aces. You turn that on, and you can multitask like you can on the Surface Duo. Is it as smooth as the Surface Duo? No, but you can multitask, so I do appreciate that. But I'm going to give this thing a go. I'm going to run it through its paces, and I will come back, and I'll let you all know what the final verdict is, which phone will stay and replace this Galaxy S10 Plus, and which phone will return to its rightful company. All right, but that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.